This is the progesterone transduction pathway by Nina Salvucci. Progesterone is usually more secreted during the second half of a woman's menstrual cycle, during the luteal phase, right before, so that the body can prepare for the fertilized egg, if there's one. So it starts with the hypothalamus, when the hypothalamus will secrete GnRH, and that will go into the pituitary. So from there, the pituitary glands will produce LH and FSH, and the LH is what is going to tell the ovaries to produce and distribute the progesterone. So the progesterone can go to the brain, and it can go to the endometrium, which is that darker pink center part of the uterus. So a closer look at the cell and what happens when progesterone goes into it is that progesterone is a steroid, so it goes through the actual cell membrane inside of the cell to bind to the receptor. And there are actually 3 different kinds of progesterone receptors. There's PRA, PRB, and PRC. So when progesterone is released to the body and absorbed by cells and recepted, it can do a lot. It can fluffen the endometrium and thicken the endometrium, and it also thickens the cervical mucus. And again, this is all to help hold in a fertilized egg. So after the receptor is, the line gang goes in it, the progesterone goes in the receptor, it will go inside of the nucleus, and it will then bind to DNA, and it will activate or inhibit the transcription of genes, which will then lead to all of progesterone's actions that it will do biologically.